The Ultimagear Millennium Puzzle Model Kit from Bandai Hobby offers an immersive experience by allowing users to assemble a highly detailed replica of the iconic Millennium Puzzle from the beloved Yu-Gi-Oh! Series. This unique model kit requires users to first build individual puzzle pieces and then combine them without instructions, relying solely on their intuition and problem-solving skills. The challenge of assembling the Millennium Puzzle is enhanced by the countless possible assembly patterns, which require precise order, positioning, sliding, and spinning of the pieces. The completed model measures approximately 10 centimeters in length, accurately replicating the size of the original puzzle seen in the series. Purchasers can be assured of the product's authenticity and safety, as it includes an official bluefin label and meets all North American consumer product safety regulations. The Ultimagear Millennium Puzzle not only provides a fun and challenging activity, but also serves as a collectible piece for fans of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Franchise.